Hello everyone, this is Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, decorating on a budget. Now today's tablescape, I'm dedicating this to my mother. My mother at this time has dementia, and I know she won't remember this day, but I will, and I want to make sure that it's set up beautifully for her. Now the colors I chose of one of my favorite colors is teal. And so I hope you enjoy this video, and if you do, let me know down below. I would love to read your comments. And everything on this table is a no spin. There is nothing on here that I purchased new for this tablescape. The only thing I did was I borrowed some dishes from my sister. So I'm going to stop talking and I'm going to let you enjoy the video. Now we're going to start with the head of the table. We're going to show you that the placemats at the head of the table, they are from Pure One before they closed. And that is a deep turquoise color. Then I added this turquoise charger plate. They came from, I think it came from eFavorMart. No, take it back. It came from the Tablecloth Factory. Now I'm adding this beautiful china plate, the white with the pink roses on it. That was my grandmother's. That's what I borrowed from my sister. Now I'm adding a white salad plate that was thrifted. And then across that, I will be adding a fuchsia pink napkin. And this napkin came from the Tablecloth Factory. Now this is the tablecloths with the S, not the tablecloth. They're two different companies. Then I added the teal. Then I added the teal saucer, and then that saucer came from the Dollar Tree. And then the next thing I added was the coffee saucer to the center of the plate that came with the china. Now the wine goblets were thrifted. Now remember what a YouTube sister of mine, Ale, told me, that don't skip on the two when you see a set of 2 glasses at Goodwill or while you're thrifting. Pick up the 2 glasses that they might come in handy. Well, I saw these beautiful turquoise one and it was only 2. And I remembered my sister Ale, and I grabbed those 2. So the 2 teal wine glasses are at the heads of the table. Next, we're going to move over and show you the setting for the sides. Now, all the sides are the same. I have the same Pure One placemat. I have the same Pure One placemat, the same charger from the tablecloth factories, and I also have the same china plate from my grandma. But what I included here is a teal napkin that I purchased from Pure One before they closed, and I only picked up a set of 4. I could kick myself for that. And then I added the teal saucer and then the larger saucer of the china set. Now with this serving, I used the pink wine goblets. Now these soft pink wine goblets were purchased from Amazon a while back, and I only had a set of 4. So I went back to order another set and they were out. So I'm waiting for them to come back in stock so I can have a set of 6. Well, it'll be a set of 8. So we're going to jump into the centerpiece. Now I use this fuchsia pink table runner, and it came from the tablecloths factory. And then accompanied to that, I have these clear candle holders. Now there are 2 small ones on each end and a smaller one in the center. Now I use the same candle holders on each end. Now all the candle holders here were thrifted. I think I paid like 75 cents for the smaller ones, and then the larger ones, they came with a set of 2 and they were like $2-3 for the set. Now in the larger candle holder, I've included a teal candle, and those candles came from Amazon. And in the smaller candle holder, I used a soft pink candle, and those came from At Home, or it used to be called Garden Ridge. Now the center, that vase, it was thrifted. I only paid $3 for it at Goodwill. Don't skip on Goodwill in the vases. They always have a lot of vases. Now what I did here was I used a fuchsia napkin to cover the stems of the flowers that I put in, which are peonies. I got some teal peonies and the fuchsia and the light pink peonies. Now these peonies were purchased on Amazon. I'll have a link below of everything that I purchased at Amazon. Now I thought those 2 colors would go beautiful together with peonies, the smaller teal ones and the larger fuchsia and pink ones. And then I also have on each head setting, I have a teal pillow cover over each pillow. Now those pillow covers came from Amazon as well. Now let me know what you think of my tablescape for Mother's Day this year. I did a different twist than I normally do, but I think it came out really pretty. The colors are really rich and vibrant, and I think that it really pops with the fuchsia pink and the teal. So let me know down below. You know I love reading your comments, and don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up. It doesn't hurt you, but it does help me. Now again, there was a no spin. Everything I already had in stock, in my stash rather. I just borrowed the china from my sister. That's the only thing that's different. So here's one more overview of my Mother's Day tablescape for 2023. I love the colors, and I hope you do too. So I will see you in the next episode. If you want to see more, click the video here or the link below and you'll be blessed.